Hi Magnation, welcome back to episode 2. Let's get your account set up together. Ready? Then let's go! First, install a Telegram and a Ton wallet app on your device. I recommend Tonkeeper, it's free and straightforward. Now, let's set up our Ton wallet with this video illustration. And that is how you set up your Tonkeeper wallet. Very easy, right? Also ensure to save your seed phrase for extra security. Next video will be illustrating how to set up the MGN mini app on Telegram. Stay tuned.
Open Telegram on your home page. Click on the search icon and type Magniton Hash. Click on Magniton Hash Bot. Click on Start. Click on Start Mining now. Proceed to register your email address, country, state, region, and city. Click Next and start mining. Claim today's stake. Click on Profile. Click on Complete KYC. Click on Connect Wallet. Click on Tonkeeper. Your Tonkeeper wallet will automatically open. Confirm and send. Swipe to confirm action and input your password. Confirming your transaction. Verification completed. Click to continue on app. You're now verified.
The previous video illustrated how to set up the mini app and get verified. Now let's connect our Tonkeeper.
Click on Connect Wallet. Click on Tonkeeper. Click on Connect Wallet. Wallet successfully connected.
Congratulations, Magnite, you're officially set up. Next time, we'll dive into daily tasks so you can start earning. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe, and also turn on notification bells so you don't miss episode 3. Bye, and see you soon!